we are touring today is the brand new Pink Panther Edition 2024 or 2023 Ford Lightning F-150. Beautiful. Yeah. I gotta make more of them in this color. Make more. Pink with the white. Mhm. Nice. I'm not sure if it has an engine, but I don't think so. Beautiful. Loved the wheels. It matches it perfectly. Just need to have the symbol be blue. And it's a Lariat edition. F-150 Lariat. Whoa! That's amazing. No idea how that happened. No way. Such a beautiful vehicle. 100%. Whoa. Can they please make more in this color? Love the gray interior with the black. Pretty beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. It's got a side step bar. Nice. Pretty basic, yeah. Pretty beautiful. Yeah, as long as this thing has about 200 to 300 horsepower, it's going to be perfect for off-roading. Whoa! Yeah. Love the sign. There's the tail light. I'm going to request to the Ford company to make more of them in this color. Yeah. F-150. Yep. Come on down to Hoffman Ford Lincoln to buy the extremely rare Pink Panther Edition Ford F-150 Lightning Lariat. Yeah. Wow, this is just amazing. Love the hand-cooked tires. Hmm? Still got the wrapping on and everything. Pretty good. Nice. (2023) Ford F-150 Lightning. Exterior is completely wrong. Black leather trim is legit. And the price of this is $75,000. Not bad. Let's see what else we got. Wow. Please make more of them. And just color. Yeah. I wonder what number build this is. Hmm? This is amazing. Hmm? Hmm? How does it do that thing again? Hmm. Hmm? It's not doing it. Hmm. Uh-huh. It's not flipping. It's not opening. Hello. Uh, do you work here? No? Let's see. Whoa. Nice. That's so cool. The trunk is under the hood. Wow. Perfect.